All right, alarm not ringing after updating to iOS 18? Here are quick fixes. First, verify your alarm settings. Open the clock app and confirm the alarm is turned on, set to the correct time, and repeat days are selected. Tap the check mark at the top to save. When the time arrives, your alarm should ring. Second, adjust your iPhone volume settings. Go to Settings, scroll to Sounds and Haptics, then find Ringer and Alerts. Drag the slider to increase volume. To prevent volume buttons from affecting your alarm, turn off Change with Buttons. Third, check Bluetooth connections. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or speakers, the alarm sound goes there instead. Make sure to disconnect any Bluetooth devices before bedtime. Fourth, disable focus modes. Swipe from the top right to open Control Center and turn off any active focus mode like Do Not Disturb or Sleep Mode. Fifth, restart your iPhone. Press volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This fixes most minor software glitches. And that's it. Your iPhone alarm should work perfectly now.